Hey there, need help picking a scheduling tool for your business? Today we're comparing Calendly and Acuity Scheduling to see which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. First up, Calendly. It's a super simple tool designed to make scheduling meeting a breeze. You set your available times, share a link, and clients pick a slot that works for them. It syncs with your calendar like Google or Outlook to avoid double bookings. Calendly shines for virtual meetings with strong integration for Zoom and Teams. It's great for freelancers, consultants, or sales teams who want a clean, easy-to-use platform. Plus, it has a free plan to basic needs. Now, Acuity Scheduling. This tool is like a personal assistant for service-based businesses. It handles appointments, payments, and client info all in one place. You can customize booking pages, offer group classes, or even sell packages. Acuity integrates with Squarespace, Stripe, and PayPal, making it perfect for salons, spas, or trainers. It's a bit more complex but offers more tools for managing your business. So which is better? If you need something simple for scheduling virtual meetings, Calendly is your go-to. It's cheaper with a free plan and easier to set up for small teams or solo users. Acuity is better for businesses that need more, like payment processing, client management, or group bookings. It's pricier, starting at $20 a month, but great for service industries. Both integrate with tools like Zapier, but Calendly has more app connections. Pick Calendly for easy meeting scheduling or Acuity for full service booking system. Think about your business needs and budget, and you'll find the right fit. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have questions. Like and subscribe for more videos.